First one out, 6Q7. So 6Q7. A, D, B, B, D, A, B, 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 A, 6.3. I guess you won't see the needle on this dial because it's so thin, but so no shorts, no shorts, no shorts, no shorts. Fire up the heater, fire up the heater. Come along, come along, come along. Here he goes. Up, 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 up. Yeah, it's not brilliant. It's not brilliant. Okay, we're going to call that one faulty. K7. A, D, B, B, D, A, B, A. Okay. No shorts. See how we do on emissions. Yeah, this is looking pretty bad as well. It's still in the bad. It's not going to get up there, is it? Not going to make it. Okay, 2 for 2, faulty at the moment. Yeah, I'd be kind of given the state of this set, I wouldn't be amazed if it ever worked after it had been modified. 6E8. 6E8. Okay, A, D, B, B, D, A, B, B, A. Okay. Here we go. No shorts, no shorts. Oh, better, 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 better. Hooray, well off into the good. 1 out of 3. Yeah, so the 68, which is not bad because they're not always the most easily available. I think the other ones should be easily got, relatively. Cool. Okay, so at this rate then I'm going to need an audio output valve, a rectifier valve, and I'm going to need these two here as well. Okay. Okay, that'll do for valve testing. So last time you saw the chassis, it probably looked like this. I was going to clean it and paint it, but then I thought I'd give it a go to polish it and see if that would be an equally acceptable solution. So that's what I'm in the process of doing at the moment. Also, I ordered up a whole bunch of different size grommets, well, my luck is in because one of them is exactly the right size. And there are 3 grommets that I need for the set, and they're all the same. And so I'm in luck. So this is what it looks like when I've polished it. I've done this bit. This isn't done yet. And I've started on the top here. So it's coming up nicely. And this here is where I've fitted the grommet, just one of them as a test. Where the tuning cap will be remounted. And so that's really good. Because it's exactly the same size right here for the one that holds the front panel on. And so it means I can go ahead now and replace that on the other set. And get the other set one step closer to being really and truly finished. The other thing I have to do is I have a guy who's going to reprint a dial for me. And that's going to take a little while. It's a bit of work. You got a lot of scanning and masking to do. So that's underway. And so, yeah, so next step here is to tidy it up a little bit more underneath. And then I need to get a replacement octal valve socket for in here. I've got some on order, but I have not been able to find ones that are exactly like this. And so my hunt is still on for an octal socket, you know, that is made in these 2-part phenolic plates. So I'm still hunting for that. So yes, that's where it is. The way I polished the metal is I found some of these, I guess they look like scouring pad type fittings for the Dremel tool. And they just seem to do it really well. Because they're not too, I feel like coarse, they're not too rough, they don't do too much damage. But they're enough to just get rid of the pitting, so you can get down to what looks like nice clear metal. They don't last terribly long, so like what you see here has taken 3 of these little guys to get it done, and when you're finished they kind of look all shredded up like this. But yeah, I think it's definitely handy way to go, and I'll keep going with it because I think it'll hold up quite nicely when it's all done. Right, so at this point I'm gonna switch back over to the other set so I can complete the scanning for the dial and refit the front plate when it's all done. And then we'll come back here and do some more polishing and hopefully get myself an octal tube socket, and yeah, then we'll be ready to start rebuilding. I decided I wasn't going to go and get a whole set of valves for this yet. I have one that I can reuse because there was only one basically that worked out of the original set. But the others I'll borrow from the second set until I get it all going. And then I'll order up the replacements once I've determined that I have a viable project here. So I guess that's kind of it for now. More to come later on.